going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have this 2020. It's a Dodge Challenger. So we're gonna line this car today and we're gonna select our car, which is already pre-selected, and now we're gonna put the sensors on this car in 3, 2, 1, and boom, the sensors are in place. And now it's time to roll the car back, and for that I have to press this button, and then we're gonna select ready, and now we're gonna roll the car back. Alright, so we are here and it's time to roll the car back. So what I'm gonna do is turn it on. I have to roll it back with the car running because it won't let me roll it in neutral. So I'm just gonna roll it back slowly, and we're gonna see the measurements up there change. So slow screen, and we wait. Okay, now it's time to go forward. All right, turn it off and it's ready. What I'm gonna do now is remove the pins out of this right here, and we have the pre-measurements there. So I'm just gonna remove it, and after that I'm just gonna press measure caster. We press OK, and now it's time to do the caster measurement. So we have to turn on the car again, and just gonna go outside, leave it in park, and I'm gonna turn the wheel. So now I'm gonna put my wheel lock here, but I'm gonna do that later. First I have to take a look at the measurements. So this car is pulling to the right, that's what the customer says, and we're gonna figure it out what's causing pulling to the right. So before doing that, just gonna check the tires, make sure the tires are good. So these tires are made for racing. I believe they race this car a lot, so they look good. Look a little bit good here, making sure it doesn't have any bumps. And on this side looks pretty good too. This one too, and this one looks fine too. So let's take a look at the measurements. Okay, let's go show measurements, bar graph. Okay, so this is the back, and we see here our camber is a little bit negative, and that's because they have 20-inch rims. So I believe they changed the tires, they put a bigger rims, and the front seems fine. We see here our toe is a little bit off and the wheel is straight, so maybe that's why it's pulling to the right. So we're gonna fix that. And before doing anything, I always save the measurements to show the customer what we did. Alright, so we always start from the back and say hello to the monkey. We start from the back, and I'm gonna put my wheel lock on the wheel. Alright, wheel lock, make sure the wheel's straight, and let's start adjusting. Alright, so we are here on the back of the car, and the toe I just missed is gonna be this one right here. So we have the eccentric right here, and we're gonna loosen this nut right here, and we're gonna turn it, that way we can get a good reading for the toe. And we see here this tire is wearing out, and that one too, and that's because I believe this car came with these tires from factory, made for racing, because it has a pretty badass shock right there. Really nice. So I'll bring my tools. Alright, so I'm gonna start adjusting, and I'm gonna be using the 18 on both sides. So first we gotta loosen this side first, and I brought that cool tool where I can see instead of going all the way over there, just have it right here, and I can accurately see what I am adjusting on the car. So right now I believe it's on camber, I cannot adjust that because this car comes with factory fixed arms, and it's not too off, it's just a little bit. So I'm just gonna change it to toe. Let's see, toe. So we're gonna just toe put on the back. All right. And before that, I gotta remove the pins. Before doing anything, gotta remove always the pins. All right, so the pins are out, and now I'm gonna start adjusting. So I'm gonna move this one here, and you're gonna see the change right there. So you're seeing change, and it's gonna need to the other side, going on the wrong side. Let's go a little bit more to the other side, and we see there we should have 0.16, what I believe it's the middle. If we don't know that, I can do this, put it on zeros, that way you can see more better on the back. Okay, so right there. Okay, we must have 0 now, so that's too much, and yep, that's pretty much where it goes. So I'm gonna adjust the two sides. Okay, so the back is adjusted now and the camber is off, but for this we need a special adjustment kit on the back, and like I said, it has an individual, it's not found meet alignment specifications, so we need to put a special tool part on the back to adjust it, and I'll leave the link where you can find that part or a picture right here. Okay, so now it's time to go to the front side, and we see here it's a little bit adjusted now, so looks good. It was just the back it's only bad, but if in your car you need adjustment on the camber, you need to replace that arm right there with a special tool that gives you camber and caster adjustment, and this will be pretty much it. To adjust the toe is this side, this arms right here, really very common on most cars, so this one is the adjustment, and it's pretty much done. So this is how you long a 2020 Dodge Challenger, and many other years is the same thing. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe, like, and I'll see you next time. Bye.